Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make Rocky Road chocolate bar, and it looks like this. It's thick, it's full of mini marshmallows and melted dark chocolate and a lot of chopped peanuts. So it's perfect for the holidays, and it's also great for every day, any time of the year. So I hope you guys will stay until the end, watch the video. For now, let me show you how I made this. Let's get started. Okay, so this is now our Rocky Road chocolate bar. Let's give this a try. This is so good. Like, it's really addictive. It's amazing. So, I hope you guys will give this a try. And until next time, bye!